a project on setting up a multi-tier architecture in AWS with public and private subnets. So in this project, our first step is to open the AWS free tier account and log in into it. And then our first step is to create a VPC account. Here we have to click on create VPC. We'll write a name as here, as you can see, we have named it, and we have declared the configuration of this IPv4 CIDR, and that's it for now. And then click on create VPC. The VPC is created, and our next step would be to create the public and private subnets. So for creating those subnets, we have to click on this subnets option in the sidebar and click on create subnet, and we have to take the created VPC and then name the subnet. First we are creating a public subnet. We are naming it 30 public, and availability zone we are taking it the first one, and CIDR block we are naming it as this, and we are creating the subnet. We've created the public subnet, and we have to repeat the same to create the private subnet. Availability zone we have to choose another one, and we have declared the configuration of this, and then click on create subnet. So we have created two subnets, one public and one private, and see, as you can see, we have created two subnets. And now our next step is to create an internet gateway for the public subnet. For that we have to press on the internet gateways option on the sidebar, and then click on create internet gateway, name it again, create it, and here we get an option attached to VPC. Here we have to select a VPC and then connect it. It is attached successfully, and now our next step is to configure the route tables. We have to go to the route tables in this side tab. To create a route table for the public subnet. RT, and we have to select a VPC and create it. Here we have created the route table. Now we have gone to the routes tab, and here we have to click on edit routes and click on add route, and then click on this, and we have to select the target as the internet gateway, and we have to select the created gateway, and save changes. And now we have to go to the subnet associations and edit subnet associations. Click on the public one, and we have to save the associations. That's it. In the same way, we have to create another route table for the private subnet. and select the VPC and create the root table. And now there's no need to configure any routes or iterate gateways for the private one. So we directly do the subnet association. We associate it with the private subnet and save the associations. And then we go to our next step, creating security groups. Here we click on the security groups and we click on create security group and we name it SG. SSH access, this VPC and add rules, and that in inbound rules we have to let it be like this and be like this. Let's click on this and HTTP 80, that's default, and should be anywhere. That's it. And click on create security group. We have created the public security group, and now in the same way we have to create the private security group with a little bit of changes. SG VPC and inbound rules custom TP. Now 22 and IP and add another one. There's no need for another one. And create security group. We have created the security groups now, and now we have to launch instances, EC2 instances. For that we have to search. We have to go to the search bar, search EC2 to open this, and click on launch instance. Launch instance. And we have to select AMI. Let's make it Amazon Linux, and the instance type should be T3 micro, which is FreeTAR eligible. And in network we have to click on edit and click on the VPC we have created, and click the public subnet which is already there, and enable the public IP. Select the existing ones. And then that's it for now, and create an instance. Launch another instance for the private ones. In this, the difference is we are not gonna apply any kind of public IP for this. We're going to disable this, and okay, everything is same. G, and yeah, we're done. Launch this instance. Proceed. We have set up the EC2 instances, and now we have to go on with the additional configuration.